أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Gracious, the Merciful.
الحمد لله الذي أنزل على عبده الكتاب ولم يجعل له عوجا.
Praise be to Allah, who revealed the book to his servant, and allowed in it no distortion.
قيما لينذر بأسا شديدا من لدنه ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا حسنا.
Valuable, to warn of severe punishment from himself, and to deliver good news to the believers who do righteous deeds, that they will have an excellent reward.
ماكثين فيه أبدا.
In which they will abide forever.
وينذر الذين قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا.
And to warn those who say, Allah has begotten a son.
ما لهم به من علم ولا لآبائهم كبرت كلمة تخرج من أفواههم إن يقولون إلا كذبا.
They have no knowledge of this, nor did their forefathers. Grave is the word that comes out of their mouths. They say nothing but a lie.